8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how many answers do we have? Okay, go water. Yes. Nice. Just wanted to be sure everyone is here. And thank you, Venkatesh, for giving this opportunity, Vidya Poshak team, for doing amazing work. And today's topic is volunteering and sign language, right? So let's start with another quick question. So just close your eyes for 2, 3 seconds and write down what is the first word that comes to your mind when you think of word volunteer. Close your eyes. Think of the first word that comes to mind when you think of word volunteer and post your answers. Learning, okay. What else? Only one answer. Where are others? Yes. Okay, what is the first word that comes to your mind when you think of volunteering? The word volunteer. Growth, self-help, leadership, defense, soldiers. Wow, nice. Mother, seva. Right. Now, I still remember this was almost a decade and a half back, 15 years back. I was then just had moved from corporate sector to social sector, and I used to work with lot of volunteers. And one day I was going to one organization, and suddenly I saw a bunch of children smiling and laughing, and I was like, "Is everything okay? Why are they laughing?" And then I realized it is not they are laughing at me, but they are communicating in their own language and they are in their own world and talking in sign language. And I was like, wow, we should learn that. So we went to the organization. We said, hey, can you teach us sign language? And they were like, why do you want to learn sign language? So we said, hey, we have like, 10, 15 volunteers who want to learn. And once we learn, we will come and volunteer. Say, for example, I'm good at accounts. I'll come and teach accounts. Someone is good at, say, some other skills. Someone is good at maths. We will teach those subjects after learning sign language to deaf children. They said, okay. So our classes started. Some 10 classes were over. And they said, Prarthana, today is the test. So we said, okay, done. So we had 10 volunteers. They said, anyone can choose topic. Here are your students. So there were 10 diploma students sitting in front of us. All were deaf. And they said, today is your test. Talk about any topic. You can use board, you can use science. You have learned some 100 words. Use those in sign language and expressions, whatever you want, but you have to convey some topic. So I said, okay, done. Some of my friends took why to save water, why to save electricity, information. So our teacher said, hey, you work with volunteers. So I was very proudly, yes, I work with thousands of volunteers. They said, okay, why don't you talk of volunteering? So I was like, very nice, like, this is my favorite topic. So I go and I said, okay, how do I start? So I did the same what I asked just now. I said, what is volunteering? And that too with full emotions, what is volunteering? And not even one deaf student sitting there gave me these answers. No one said Niswat Seva, guiding, mother, Seva, all the answers that you all gave. The answers that I got was volunteering is donating clothes, donating money, donating books. And I was like, no. Volunteering means someone donating time. Not possible. How is it possible someone can donate time? No. And at that moment, having worked with thousands of volunteers, I was like, how do I explain them that someone comes, helps, donates time? So I was like, how do I tell? So what I did was, I said, someone had, when you work with deaf, there will be lot of words which will not have, they will not know. So you have to give examples. So I said, let me give example. So I said, old age home. So they said, there was another big question mark. I said, ORPHAN, orphan. They're like, what is orphan? So I took one more step back and I said, uh, parents, no children, poor. They said, understood. Okay, orphanage. Okay, old people, nobody to take care, old age home, understood. People with disability and where people can give time, they said, okay. And then greenery everywhere. What I could do was, I could tell them all issues that comes under social sector, but I could not tell them what is volunteering. Having worked with 2000 plus volunteers, on that day I was feeling, how do I convey them? And here comes a deaf lecturer and he says, can I try? I was like, yeah, I give up. So he gave one example, which I'm sure the children learned, but I learned was, what is volunteering. He said, tomorrow you all are going by bus to college, and suddenly some problem happens and your bus stops in between. Why bus? Because they are deaf, they don't get license, and that's when most of the time they travel by bus. So tomorrow you all are going by bus, some problem in the bus stops in between, what will you do? They said, we'll get down, push the bus, help the driver. Okay, will you ask driver to pay you money for pushing the bus? They said, no, 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 we are helping and we have to reach our college. He said, that's what is volunteering. Doing something, pushing the bus out of your own, without any expectation written. After that, I would have worked with around 8,000 to 10,000 more volunteers. And each time I met a volunteer, this is sign for volunteer, I said, if any of this is missing, please take a break. Don't volunteer because Prarthana is telling or someone else is telling. Volunteer because you want to volunteer. So do you think, say I have 1 hour in a week, can it make a difference? And yes, no. I have 1 hour in a week. Can it make a difference? Okay. Yes. So 1 hour a month. Yes, no. Still yes. Okay. 1 hour a year. Now I can feel like some people are like, yes, but no. Shayad yes, maybe no. Right? So now let me tell you, leave aside 1 hour. I'll tell you how 3 minutes can make a difference. So we used to volunteer at this old age home, and I still remember meeting one Aji, and she was like, Prarthana, can you send some volunteer who could come and meet me 3 minutes? I was like, 3 minutes? Yeah, ke Aji, why 3 minutes? 6 children, all well to do, all are in Bangalore, but I am in old age home. I still want to believe that there are so many youngsters who can come and talk to me. So 3 minutes, leave aside. They can come read newspaper for me, or they can at least talk to me what's happening around. Feel good about it. Now leave aside 3 minutes. How 1 minute can make a difference. So when I work with children and all, I do lot of energizers, like, shake your hand, do thumbs up, thumbs down, different activities. There's this cancer hospice home in Bangalore, which is Karunashraya, which works with cancer patients who are in final stage. So past almost 12, 13 years, we are celebrating Diwali. So every year, whenever there is Diwali, some 100 volunteers will ping me saying, when is Diwali happening? So our Diwali is at Karunashraya. Now, because there are a lot of patients who do not get a chance to get out. At the same time, there are a lot of nurses who see death every day. Every day they are seeing at least one death. Now, can I go and give them a break? So every Diwali, we do a Diwali celebration there. There are a lot of volunteers who dance, perform songs. So I remember one of the Diwalis, we said, So there is a nice one big lake or pond in between, surrounding which all volunteers sit, all nurses, whoever patient can come, they sit, and we all are enjoying together. And this one Diwali, almost 7-8 years back, there was one patient who was lying down on the bed. They had got his bed there, and I still remember, as soon as we started, we did this energizer where we said you have to shake your right hand, left hand, and twist. So whoever is on bed, whatever possible you can do. So he was like fully doing 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the energizer. And then he raised his hand and he said, "Can I sing a song in Kannada?" So we said, "Yeah, sure." So he sang song in Kannada. All 100 volunteers present there clapped. His voice was very feeble, slow, feeble, but he tried and he sang the whole song. And we all realized he had throat cancer. So we were very happy. He was more than us. He was very happy that 100 people heard my song, and he was like, we could see that feeling on his face that, yes, I could sing, and so many volunteers clapped. Now, 1 week later, I go to same organization and I was like, hey, can I meet that boy who sang song? Can I just go and say hi? And the question you ask is not how is he. The question you ask is he still there? Because they are all in their last days of life. So the organization had told me he's there, but looks like today might be his last day. So I go and meet him. Now, when I am going towards his room, I am thinking, what do I say? Shall I say hi, hello? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಲಿ ನಾನು, ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ ನಾನು? And while all these thoughts are running in my head, I reach towards his room. I see he is lying down on a bed. His hand size is half of my hand size. And I'm still thinking, what do I say? And by the time I raise my hand to say hi, there comes a reaction from his side, which is with a smile on his face, he does this. A 1 minute energizer that we did on Diwali day. With smile, he does this. So they say you cannot add days to their life, but you can always add life to their days. So whenever you have time, please don't think, oh, I have just 1 hour in this whole year. Can I volunteer? When 1 minute can bring so much impact, imagine how much 1 hour can. I still remember going to one of the children's home and one girl coming with a book and saying, Akka, nan story helbeku. So I was like, hello. So now she was a school dropout and she said, Nanu, Akka, Ajji story hella, princess. So I was like, Ninneshta, neen helu, whatever story you want, you tell. So she says, Akka, you know what? I'll tell you Ajji story. I was like, okay. Now, there was one Ajji, and that Ajji made jalebi chakli. And I was like, wow, I was very interested. The story is going in different way. So I was like, okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? So ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನ್ ಜಲೇಬಿ ಚಕ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? So I was like, I need to listen carefully. She might ask any questions anytime. So I was like, ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳು ನಿನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಅಕ್ಕ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಲೇಬಿ ಚಕ್ಲಿ ನನ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಡಿಶ್. So I was like, okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Then a crow comes. ಕಾಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಲೇಬಿ ಚಕ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So what she wanted at that moment was for someone to just be there and her story where she wanted to say, although I like jalebi chakli, I don't get it, but if there are volunteers like you, you might be there just to listen to me. So she liked that I heard story. She got another book. The book story is something else. She started some other story and there was some princess story and she was like, Kannada mein full story finished. And she goes and tells to all friends, prince was there, princess was there, this happened, that happened. And one of her friend comes, Akka, nanu story helbeku. So that day it was like full story day. I was like, okay. And she started it. And I don't know ABCD of Tamil. So she started, same story, book mein story is different. First girl Rasati telling the story is different. Now third girl telling the story is completely different. And Rasati stops her and says, "Hey, Akka doesn't know Tamil." She was like, "That's okay. She's listening to my story." So with full expressions, she finished the whole story. So at time, volunteering is just being yourself and being there. Correct? So volunteering, start thinking how as a person I can bring impact at different places, at different causes, whatever cause it may be. It could be old age home, elderly, children, education, civic rights, civic issues. Mein, as simple as, can I just go and say thank you to a traffic police? I remember one day all children, we all got together and I told children thank you card, and they made thank you card. We gave it to traffic police. Of the traffic had tears in his eyes, saying, "Ma'am, ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೇ they will say you take bribe. But today is the first time someone is saying thank you to me." So imagine a change that one thank you card could have got. Remember also doing this with Paura Karmikas. They sweep your road, they pick your garbage. Can I just go and say thank you to them? Can I just tell break, take a break, sing song? Can I sing song for them? Can they sing song for me? Volunteering, right? And volunteering is also about sharing that we do. Many a times before, when I was working in IBM, I still remember one day my manager, "You are volunteering?" I said, "Yeah." "You read books for visually impaired?" So I was like, "Yeah, I am reading book for visually impaired." "Why don't you share with everyone in the office?" I said, "I don't want to share that I'm doing good work. People will think, she wants to boost herself. I don't want to do that." He left with one sentence. He said, "Anytime you feel to share with others, please do." I said, "Okay." And I forgot, I left. Next day I go. I teach my student who is visually impaired. I go to teach Suresh. And Suresh is like, "Ma'am, you income tax?" I was like, "Yes, Suresh." Full happy, full proud feeling. "Yes, Suresh. You also teach me accounts?" "I teach two subjects." Wow. And next sentence. "Ma'am, what about business communication? What about HR?" And that was the day I realized it's not because I am doing good, I have to talk about it, but because there are together of Suresh who will need our help. So from that day to today, which is almost 15 years, I keep talking about volunteer almost every day, keep talking about different opportunities that are happening around, because you never know how whose life would impact. I remember coming to Prerna, doing a session on confidence and life skill and all that. But I don't know, many of the students today would have become, doing awesome in their work, would have started volunteering. Correct? A life that changes, a beneficiary now becoming a benefactor. Can that change start happening? Other day, some 2 years back, I get a call from Shankar. Now, Shankar is someone who is blind and he has half hands. So his hand start from here. So it is like this. So no hands till here, half hands. Now what disability? He has multiple disability. Can't see and half hands. So he called me at night 10 o'clock, and I must say he is number one techie. He works in one of the best companies as a techie. I am a non-techie, so I don't know all those words, but I is too good. And he calls me at night 10 o'clock. "Ma'am, sorry to call you so late, but one of my friend is crying for past 2 hours." I said, "What happened?" "Ma'am, he is blind and tomorrow morning 9 o'clock is his exam. The scribe has dropped out." Now, scribe is a person who writes exam for visually impaired. The scribe has dropped out. So I was like, "So it's okay, no? Let's try and find volunteers. Don't worry." "Ma'am, he's not from Bangalore, he's from Bagalkot." So I was like, "Okay, night 10 o'clock is the call, morning 9 o'clock is the exam, and Bagalkot is almost overnight journey." So I said, "Ma'am, if you can find someone who can also know Kannada, that will be nice." So night 10 o'clock, I have to find a volunteer who knows Kannada and who can in Bagalkot before 9 o'clock in the morning. So most of us are there on Facebook, other social media. We said, let's try. So we posted, one visually impaired requires volunteer immediately. Morning is his exam. Can someone help? Within 15 minutes, we had 3 volunteers who said, I am currently in Bagalkot, I can help. So I said, super. So we called him, we said, hey, stop crying. Exam tayari madu. Nale exam ide. Just focus on your exam. You will do well. We were like, okay, super, done. So all his exams were over. He did good. What happened after that? But I'm happy that day we could arrange volunteers. Now, a year back, I was in this company called Intuit, and another, like, one of the big companies who do good work with people with disabilities. So I was partnering with them on a program that was for disabled, and there were a lot of corporate leaders sitting in front of us from different companies. While we were doing this, there was a person from Intuit who was supposed to host the show, the RJ or the MC of the day. And he comes, he's visually impaired, and he comes and I help him. I say, look, this is the stage. So I do mobility training, that is called as mobility training, showing him that stage starts from here, people are sitting from here, you will sit here, your braille book is here. So all that was done, and I said, I'm Prarthana from Giftable. If you need any help, let me know. Now, for a minute, he stopped and he said, ma'am, are you Prarthana? I was like, yeah. Are you from Giftable? I was like, yeah. Is everything okay? What happened? So he's like, ma'am, you know what? 2 years back, I was one who was crying at night 10 o'clock because I did not get a scribe. You arranged, I passed the exam with distinction, and today I am working as HR in Intuit. A change that happened 2 years back is I'm seeing a person working in one big company. 15 minutes of volunteering. And today, let us all take that step to volunteer, and we'll move to the next topic, which is nothing but sign language. So before we move to sign language, question. We call people who have any disability. Thanks, Venki. Type in your answers. I have had, I might not be able to see, I might not be able to hear, I might be on a wheelchair. Can you see the wheelchair? Yeah. What do we call people who have disability? First, post your answers. Is everyone awake, or should I do another quiz round? So, people who have any disability. ವಿಕಲಚೇತನ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನು, ಇನ್ಯಾವ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Post. I'll wait for a minute. ಇನ್ಯಾವ ಹೆಸರು? ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಏಬಲ್ಡ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಏಬಲ್ಡ್, ಅಂಗವಿಕಲ, correct, ಅಂಗವಿಕಲ, ವಿಕಲಚೇತನ, ದಿವ್ಯಾಂಗ್, viklang, and like some hundreds, correct? And what do we call people who do not differently able? Correct. What else? And what do special children? See, now the answers are coming. Correct. Divyang, physically challenged and have a great power. Okay. What else? Vishesha Chetana. Okay. Correct. So we give so many names to people who have some disability. Correct. And what do we call ourselves? When I say ourselves, my hands are fine. Although if I remove specs, I can't see much. But what do we call people who do not have disability? Not intentionally, but we end up calling ourselves as normal. Correct? So if I was volunteering today and I was doing an event with some 30 blind bachas, some 10 visually impaired, some 10 hearing impaired, some 10 people on wheelchair, what would I say? Hey, you know what? There was an event today. There were 30 normal people, and then there were 30 people who had disability, who were specially able, who were differently able. Correct? Different special ability. Huh? Okay, so now let me give you first lesson of what do we call people who have disability. What happened one day was all people with disability, they said we get so many names, no? mentally retarded. Then they said, oh, retarded word ash chanagilla. So mentally challenged. Mental word e chanagilla. So specially able, differently abled, inspiring, and then deaf and dumb. Oh, dumb chanagilla. So dumb full hoitu. Deaf. No. Innu chanagiddidu hesaru kodanu. Hearing impaired. Right? Hundreds of names given from person with disability to different to specially able, and we end up calling ourselves as normal. Correct? So one day they all got together and they said, we get so many names, no? Today we will give name to all the normal people of this earth. And we all got a nice name. Guess what? What name we would have got? So we have given name to all the people who have disability. So they have this name, no? So we got a name, TAB, tab, temporarily abled bodies. Just because I am fit and fine doesn't mean so I will be so always. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು full ಹಠ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I might just go out, meet with an accident. You might see me on a and people will be like, oh, what an inspiring lady, man. She's on wheelchair, but she speaks so well. She's so inspiring. She's so motivating. They do not want us to call them motivating, specially able, differently inspiring. All that they want is to be treated at par with all of us. So the first and very, very important thing is a person with disability is a person first. So consciously, knowingly take an effort and use people first language. I am a person first. So next time I'm doing an event, I will not say there were 30 people with disability and normal. I would say there were people with and without. There were 10 visually impaired, rest were sighted. There were 10 hearing impaired, rest were hearing. Correct? So from today, avoid using word normal. Try using word people first language, people with and without disability. Good. So when we are now learning about sign language, so the person who can't hear, this is sign for deaf. We call a person who can't hear as deaf. No using word dumb. Deaf and dumb helangilla. Deaf is okay. Hearing impaired is also okay. And before I move ahead, let me share a quick video with you all. And we will learn sign language. Okay, where is the video? Let me share. Give me a second. I'll just. There's a video on. Okay, where's the video? We just played before everyone joined. You can count till 10 and the video will be on. Oh, okay. So let me share it. I'm not able to see the video.
Screen share is not enabled. You have to share the screen.
I did that. Screen share. Now you can see, no?
Yeah, now it is coming. Yes.
Great.
was an amazing day, right?
Yeah, maza aa gaya. And the way you hit the sixes, you just wrecked all the bowlers. Aren't we always special together?
Always.
Like so many greats, isn't it?
Like Yuvraj and Dhoni?
No, Tendulkar and Ganguli.
No way. Messi and Ronaldo.
No, Dhoni and Ronaldo.
And
Two of us. Thanks for always being my best friend.
okay, stop crying. Cry after I beat you in a game of chess.
Oh yeah, remember the last game?
Oh please. I always win. Last time you just got me.
Oh, video was not clear. I'll share the video later. Okay. So I didn't see those messages. Play once again. Should I play it again? Okay. Let me try. Share. Share.
I heard you won again. Your friends do not want you to be in the same team because you always win. I don't care. Well, they just need to find a new strategy using their brains. It was an amazing day, right?
Yeah, maza aa gaya. And the way you hit the sixes, you just wrecked all the bowlers. Aren't we always special together?
Always.
Like so many greats, isn't it?
Like Yuvraj and Dhoni?
No, Tendulkar and Ganguli.
No way. Messi and Ronaldo.
No, Dhoni and Ronaldo.
And
Two of us. Thanks for always being my best friend.
okay, stop crying. Cry after I beat you in a game of chess.
Oh yeah, remember the last game?
Oh please. I always win. Last time you just got me.
Okay, I hope you could see video. Okay. Oh, I didn't see. No, let us go. Okay. Now let's start with sign language. So you got the feeling, that is good. So very, very, very important. I'll share the link. Is for us to take that initiative to start and at least learn alphabets in sign language. Today, we all will learn alphabets in sign language, and next time you meet someone, at least you can say, my name is Praarthana. Prarthana. At least that much we can do, and we can do greetings. Okay, let's start. I'm just seeing. Okay, are my hands visible, clear? Okay, different countries will have different languages. Say for example, Australia will have Australian sign language, China will have Chinese sign language, Japan will have Japanese sign language, America will have American sign language, and India is having Indian sign language. Universally accepted is American sign language. Many of the people from different countries do understand. Sign language came into existence, like where people started learning, knowing Indian sign language, spreading Indian sign language in India in late 90s. So couple of deaf across India would follow American sign language. Most of them, 80% of them, would follow Indian sign language. What we do at Giftable is we give importance to communication. Okay, so that's when we say alphabets, you learn both. After that, you can follow Indian sign language. At least you can communicate with any deaf across the world. Okay, what I did just now was fully in sign language. So this is sign, you're using your hands, so sign language. Okay, let us start with Indian sign language. Once you learn alphabet and you feel you're comfortable and want to also learn American sign language alphabets, we'll teach you both. But first, let's start with Indian sign language. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D. If I'm going fast, let me know. Okay, A. Very, very, very important in sign language is your face expressions and your lip movement as well. I can't do. You need to be expressive. Okay, A. And say B, C. Nice round C. D. Looks like capital D. E. F. Okay, these two fingers, one above other. F. G. Okay, this is your dummy. If you're a righty, this lefty. Okay, G. H. Like you're cleaning this hand. H. I. J. I hope everyone is listening because I'm not able to see all. So this is J. K. L. M. N. Let us practice till N again. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Any questions still here? Yes, anyone wants to volunteer to join the video, raise your hand. Yes. After N? O P Q R S, two little fingers, S T U V W X, video, X Y. So for Y, you keep your this, and from behind you do Y, like capital Y. So Y and Z. Z. Okay, clap for yourself. In 2-3 minutes, you all learnt alphabets in Indian Sign Language. But when I clap, okay, what happens? A deaf can't hear. So I do silent clap, either this or raise your hand and clap. Okay, yes, Gauri, you want to do A to Z once?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Just
great.
okay, ma'am.
Yes,
A,
good.
B, C, D, E,
Very good.
F,
F, two fingers like this.
F,
Good.
G,
Huh.
H,
Huh.
I,
Okay. Huh.
K,
Huh.
L,
Very good.
M,
Show to me. So M, you have to show it to the other person. M. Huh.
M, N,
Huh.
O,
Huh.
P,
Huh.
Q,
Huh.
R,
R.
R,
Huh. Do it from P. For P, it is chota. D is bada, no? P is chotu. Okay. P.
P,
Good. Huh.
Q,
Very-
R,
Huh.
S,
S. Little. Both last fingers.
sorry,
Both have
S,
last fingers. Yes. Huh.
T,
Good.
S, T,
U.
U,
Huh.
V,
Huh. W.
W,
Yes.
X,
X.
X.
Y.
Y,
Okay.
sorry, Y,
And
Y.
backside. So this line backside. Y. Good.
Y,
And Z. Keep your hand straight and Z. Good.
yes, thank you, ma'am.
So this is clap. Good. Anyone else wants to do?
Excellent.
Gauri,
Thank
tell
you.
your name. Gauri, tell your name.
Hello, ma'am.
For name, this is sign for name. So you can try either this or this. Just this. Okay. So do
Sorry, ma'am.
Your
my
name.
name.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Just do my name and spell your name.
My
Name or name.
name,
Name.
my name,
And then spell. Spelling hello. G.
G,
Ha.
O, U, R, I.
Good. Awesome. See,
Thank you, ma'am.
in 5 minutes now, Gauri can tell her name to any deaf she meets across India. Super. Super. Anyone else wants to try your name? Who wants to tell your name?
Thank you, Gauri.
Thank you, sir.
Awesome. Who wants to tell your name? One more person. Anyone raising hand?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ
Yes. Sridevi.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. So her audio is not.
Yes.
Video is not visible.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your video is not there, Sridevi.
Sir, what I have to do to get a video, sir?
I don't know. Maybe you don't have an option in your phone. There is a
No, sir,
problem.
I'm not getting the.
Down there will be video. Just see if you can click that video.
No, ma'am, I'm not getting the option here.
Not getting. So you will see video icon. If you can get that video icon, click on that icon and you should be. While we will have someone else, till then you just check.
I think there's a problem. So I don't know what
Sorry,
is.
sir, I'm not getting the video option over there.
Okay.
No problem. You practice, no problem.
No. Even the others, I am not able to enable the video. It is.
Okay.
1 second. Let me try to add them as a panelist. Maybe we will be able to do that. 1 second. Devi, where is she? Okay. So can you? Yes. So Sridevi, now you will. It will ask to start your video. Yes.
Yes, Devi, we can see you. Yes. Yes, Sridevi, you can say your name. So you can do my name and then do your name.
Yours audio is mute. 1 second. Yes. Now you can start.
You can say your name. My name is and spell your name, Sridevi.
Okay, ma'am. My name is.
Name like this. Two names. S-A-R. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great. Okay, for V, you have to show your palm outside. Rest all was good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Great. Should we practice once all the alphabets?
Yes. We can do that.
Practice, yes. So you can have video and we'll practice as in my video.
Yeah, your video is there. Yeah.
There, no? Okay. So let us practice A. Now this time everyone practice but no voice. Just lip movement. Okay, like this. Okay, A, few of you would be doing like this. Do it like this. Please, A. Okay, A. M again, not to yourself, to the other person. This is sign for proud. So proudly clap for yourself. So the whole idea is next time I meet a deaf, I can always say, so deaf will teach me name is like this, or they will say name is like this. Few states in our country use name as this. Some people do this, some people do this, but mostly used is this name. Okay. So my name is, and in sign, since from birth they are signing India, grammatically it is grammar is missing. So there is no is, was, will and all. So they will say you home go, I go office. So they'll not say I am going to office. So signing is more like, you know, I will not say my name is Prarthana. I will ask your name what. So this is sign for what? Your name what? My name Prarthana. Now what did I do? This Prarthana. Now this is very, very, very important. If communicate, learn sign language, communicate lot deaf, they will observe what is my special quality and give me something called as sign name. For example, today in this list of 50 people, I would say, oh, Shridevi. Now I don't call, hey, Shreedevi, come here. What I'll say, Shridevi, come, or Devi, do this. Correct? Similarly, when there are some 10 prarthanas in this room, how will they know which prarthana? If I say Prarthan, they'll be like, which prarthana? There are 3 prarthanas, 4 prarthanas. So that's when everyone gets a sign name. So for me, when they say, for example, if someone is tall, so they will say, Prarthana tall. If Prarthana wears lot specs all the time, Prarthana specs, something like that, or Prarthana jhumka, right? So when I got a sign name, deaf gave me, it is always given by a deaf. So they said, you work lot with volunteers, with deaf, with people with disability, with children, with old people. So there are a lot of people in your heart. So in ASL, that time we had learned ASL, American Sign Language. So in ASL, this is P. So P close is Prarthana. So this is my sign name. So when I tell my name, I will say my name is Prarthana, Prarthana, or Prarthana, Prarthana. So once a sign name is given, it cannot change. Okay. I remember after that, I did a session for some 150 deaf in Mysore. So this is sign for Mysore. So I did session in Mysore, and I was doing like this, that energizer 8421. So they said, we will change your name to Prarthana. I said, no change. So there's no change in sign name. Ready to learn ASL alphabets, or that we do a quick test? So I will give you 10 words. I'll spell. Let's see who gives answers. Ready? Ready for test? Let's do test and then move to ASL. I need 5S quickly. Either ping or write yes, 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 then I can give you test. Nobody is ready? Yes, no? Or are we getting yes and I'm not seeing? Okay, yes, yes, yes. Okay. First word. Okay. Okay. Ready? Who got it? So for sign language, along with signing, seeing is also important. Good. I did WATER. Water or just water. Okay, you're also learning science. See, water. Okay, next word. Ready? Okay, second word. What did I do? Not able to see. Venki, is my video visible? Not visible? Again. Okay. Did it again. I need answers. You have to see full. It was not volunteer. You have to see till the end. It was not even volunteers. Someone gave right answer though. Who is VE? Venki gave right answer. Yes. Yes, volunteering. So look, observe till last. Okay. Again. Mhm. Did I get answers? Asma, correct. Good. Yes, disabled. D-I-A-B-L-E-D. Okay, next. Communication. So this is communication. Communication. See, in so much minutes, you are also learning words. This is words. So you are a lot of words also today. Okay. Two more. Okay. Ha. Who got it? Good. College. So this is college. I am going to college. College. You could use any sign. Both are college. College or college. School, study, college. Good. Last word. Ha. Ready? Okay.
Um,
Vidya Poshak, correct. So you are all proud members of Vidya Poshak. Okay, good. So you learned alphabets and this is greeting. This is very important. This is good. What happens is sun is rising. Say if this is base, what is happening? Sun is rising, right? So initial days, if you find difficult, you can have this hand and do morning. Otherwise, you can just do good morning, good morning, good afternoon. Why? Sun is on top. Good evening. Sun is going down. Good. Sun has gone down. Night. Okay. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. And good night. So what all you learned? You learned alphabets. You learned your name. What? You learned greetings. Good morning, afternoon, evening, and night. So very important is thank you. So this is thank you. Thank you. Please. Please. Okay. This is SASL. You get it like you close the fist, get it close to your heart. With sad face, you do sorry. Okay. You can't smile and say sorry. No. Very important are your face expressions. Otherwise, they'll feel you're making fun of them. So, sorry. Please. Sorry. This is help. So if I want help from you, I'll do help. If I have to help you, help. 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 Okay, these were important words. So I taught you these. Help, thank you, welcome. Let's practice alphabets again. Ready? Yes? A. Everyone become perfect in alphabets? A. This is proudly clap for yourself. Thank you. If you want to learn ABCD with one hand, I can teach you that, but I need 6 yes. Only then I'll teach. Or else we'll practice this only. 1 S, 2, 3, only 3 S, 4 S, 5 S, yes. So, okay. So, if you are a righty, oh, now to pakka, yes, yes, yes. Okay. So, if you are a righty, use right hand. If you are a lefty, use left hand. Okay. This is A. This is American Sign Language, ASL. Indian language is ISL. Okay, this is India, Indian Sign Language. This is America, American Sign Language. So now we are doing American Sign Language. This is A. Okay, your hand can't be like this or it can't be like this. This is the right position. A, B. So here you can imagine all the small alphabets, A to Z. Okay, it looks like A, C, D, E, F. So when you say fine, fantastic, what you do? Fine, fantastic, right? So F, G. So for C, all fingers, G, 3 fingers closed, and G. H, like you're shooting someone, discount. I, school days. J, K, L, M. So this is that small line, M. Okay. After 3 fingers, insert this thumb. M, N, O. How was K? Bring it upside down. P, J, Q, R, S, T. So M was after 3 fingers, N was after 2, T is after 1. T, U, V, W, X, like you're opening the door. X is like this, no? So X, Y. I'm seeing some of you are doing this. This is I love you. Close this. Thumb and little finger. This is Y. And Z. Front to back. Z. Clap for yourself. This is I love you. Now the sign this is A. When I bye to someone, I'll say, hey, bye, love you, bye. So what they do is, say for example, there are a lot of solutions are needed, no? Say for example, I'm in railway station. Now I see Venkatesh sir there. So what I'll do, I'll say, Venkatesh, Venkatesh, I'm here. Or I will see there. So I'll say, hey, and then I'll call her. But if I can't hear, can't speak, how will I call? Someone might be near 10th bogie, someone might be near second bogie. So what they do is they'll do I love you. They'll raise the hand and do this. And from there, someone will do this. So which means, hey, my deaf friend is there. These are some solutions that they come with. Okay. So let's practice once. S, X, Y, Z. Test. Ready for test? In ASL. How many hands up? Yes, yes, yes. No, yes. Ready for test? Yes. Okay, let's start. Okay. Who got it? Hey, Google. No, I Google also. I didn't do Google also. See, look again. Namita got it right. It is good. Cool is like this. COOL. I did good. Okay, next. And the painting that you see over there, it is made by a deaf artist. I don't know if it is clear. That painting is made by deaf artists. So at Giftable, what we do is we work with artists with disability from different parts of the country and help corporates, educational institutes with their corporate gifting. Say, for example, this is a pen stand. Okay, so carving is done by someone who is physically challenged on a person who is on wheelchair, and polishing is done by someone who is blind. So imagine someone who is blind is actually polishing it. Okay, let me ask you one question. What all colors do you see here? Post your colors. Post in chat what all colors you see. Many colors are there. Fast, fast. Yes. Orange, blue, green, yellow. Okay, awesome. Now, close your eyes. Close your eyes for few seconds. What colors are you seeing? Close your eyes and see what eyes are closed. Yes, it is blank. It is black. So when we are playing any games like this is called a cube, right? The person who can't see will see it as black. So what we did is, with support of volunteers, we started making games that could be used by visually impaired. So if you see, these has tactile. So this is called as tactile. So this is tactile Rubik cube. So white is in this, yellow is this. So now when I close my eyes and I feel this, I know, oh, I have to get all these plane to one side. I have to get this heart shape to one side. I have to get this circle to one side, and then I play. So it's very important that thinking how we can make our games, our books also tactile. Braille is always there. But if I am telling a story, Amma made dosa, can I make a tawa? Can I make a dosa and make a visually impaired feel that tawa and dosa, so that when they are reading books, they feel interested instead of just doing braille? I feel good about actually experiencing, oh, Amma made dosa, dosa is like this. Oh, I'm playing this game. This is called Rubik Cube. I have to get like this. Oh, this is tic-tac-toe, right? Just an awareness. Okay, let us practice once. I was giving test, no? Okay, sorry. Let me give test. Continue test. Okay, what new word? Okay, next word. And One word is over, good is over. Next word. Who got it? Anyone? I'll do it again. Kavita, good. Laptop, good. Next. Fully. What was it? Do you want me to do it again? Did we lose connection or you got the word? What was the last word? You're not getting the word or the video is not visible? Word, ma'am. Okay. So what I did was G I F T A B L E D. Giftable. So that is my organization. Okay. Next word. Ha. Okay, please, can we do ASL alphabets again? Yeah, I think so because everyone is taking time. Okay, let's do alphabets again. So this is A, B, C, D, small letter D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? Clear? Any doubt? Any alphabet? Any doubt? Any alphabets? Z. So front to back. Z. Z. So this looks like Z. And K is like this. Two fingers closed, thumb in between this. K. K. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me do ASL, ISL, both alphabets. Just observe. Okay, before we close, let's do that. And we will just think what we heard for last 1 hour. Okay, let me do alphabets. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Front, back. ISL. G, H, I, J, K, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We also learned few words. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Sorry, please, please, help. If you want help, help. So S was like this. When you nod your head up, down, do you like to study? Do you like to eat? Do you like movies? So how is no? Combination of N and O. No. And your head should go like this. I can't do this. No mixing the face. Yes. No. Yes. No. Okay. Good. Clear everyone? Whatever you learned till now, clear? Okay. So just close your eyes for a minute. We'll just recap what we did. Very important. 2 points. Let us just think and feel good. In life, we have all our body parts. Make best use of hands, legs, voice. Can I read books for visually impaired? Can I learn sign language? So very important what we started. Let us just close our eyes and do a quick reflection. We started with what is volunteering. A very nice example that I learned from my friend Chandramouli, who is a deaf lecturer. Volunteering is doing something out of your own will without any expectations in return. And the end result of the kids going is nothing but the satisfaction we get out of volunteering. Moving further, we all took the next step to sign. For that, very, very important is to use right terminology. A person is a person first, so we will use people first language. A person with disability is a person first, so we will use person with and without disability. A person who can't hear is deaf. No using word dumb. Okay, we took another step and learned sign language. Just think of all the alphabets you learned, all the words that you learned. Feel proud for yourself. Today you have taken a step to learn all this. Tomorrow, whether it is useful or not useful, but you meet anyone, at least you are in a position to communicate with someone who is deaf. So thank you to all of you for taking this step. With this, make a commitment to yourself. As a person, what is it that I will do in 2020 for betterment of the society? What is it that as a person I'll do? Make a commitment to yourself and then slowly open your eyes. And now we open up for questions. If anyone has any question, please ask. I wanted to do reflection so that you actually make a commitment to yourself that yes, in future I am going to do this. I will try to do this.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my question is that there is a midbrain activity. If we train the like blind people, if we train activating midbrain, can they see?
Not really. So there are around roughly 20 to 30 lakh people who can't see or who can't hear. It's not that easy, we feel, but then it is not.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Guys, any other questions? Please raise your hands or you can type.
Any questions, any doubts in any of the alphabets, please ask. Questions? If no question, then I'll show you one video. A Kannada one, because everyone will love Kannada, no?
Yes.
So it is in sign language, and the story behind this video. So in 2015, I got this award, Best Social Entrepreneur of in Bangalore, and I still remember when I took award, I was doing my speech in sign language and talking, and one sir who was there that day, he said, I want to do a song for Mother's Day for all deaf mothers in sign language. So I will sing, and I want children for deaf mothers. He asked me how do children wish Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day to mother. I said maybe Happy Mother's Day, or probably they don't celebrate it. So he said, can we do a video? Now I went and started working with my colleagues with different children, and we started teaching, like, you know, the song. Yes.
बिल्कुल हैंडीकैप मಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ
Is my voice clear?
yes ma'am
Yeah. So then what happened was, on one day we went to her house, and I remember her son, I asked, hey, how do you call Amma, because this is a surprise, and we will tell this song to her, you will interpret. So he said, I call her like this, hey. I said, you don't call her Amma? So he said, no, I always call like this. So I said, on the day you will say AMMA and Amma. So you will actually see that in this song, this is the first time he actually told his mother Amma, impact that this song created. There are no retakes in this song. It is at first go. And I'll share the link also with Venki, and then he can share with all of you. And or you can go on YouTube, Giftable, and you will see Amma song and the other video showed. So let me share the video and we can end with that. And where is Amma? Yes. I'm just sharing, huh? One second. Okay, share screen. Enjoy the song. That is Jyoti and her son, Radha and her daughter.
ನನ್ನ ಬಾನತ್ತರ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದೆ ನೀ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಲೆ ಹರಸಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಾನತ್ತರ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದೆ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳಾಚೆಗೆ ಸೆಳೆದು ಕಂಬನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳಾಚೆಗೆ ಸೆಳೆದು ಕಂಬನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಅಂದು ನೀ ಕಂಡ ಕನಸು ನಾನಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಮ್ಮ 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 ಮೊದಲ ನೋಟದ ಅರಿವೆ ಎಡವಿದಾಗ ನಡೆಸಿದೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಿಲುಮೆಯ ಹರಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನಗುವನ್ನು ತರಿಸಿ ಆಸೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀರೆರೆದು ನೋವುಗಳ ತಡೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಸೋಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಂತು ಗುರಿಯೆಡೆಗೆ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಿನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯ ಸಿಹಿ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಳೆತ್ತರ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ
Yes. Hope you all could see the video. And yeah, was Amma.
Thank you, Prarthana. Wonderful, amazing session. I think all our students would have enjoyed it. Definitely has made a difference personally for me, and I am sure everybody will be having the same thing. And yeah, I would request you to also come back again, maybe a month or two down the line, so
Sure.
that to a follow-up session. And it's wonderful. It's a totally a change of our like last 3-4 days. We were doing all like something related to their education, to their course, and more serious sessions. And then this is it's like I think everybody would have enjoyed, not thinking about their exams and all the the tension. So this would have definitely, it would have relaxed them a lot. I think everybody would agree that, because every time we force them only on what they have to learn for their exams and so many things. Yeah. Wonderful. Thank you very much. I would request anybody who wants to come and tell your feedback. I would enable your voice. Please raise your hands. Yeah, Sridevi, you can talk. You are already in the session. Priyank, yeah.
Sir, can I?
Yes, yes.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ನಡೆಯೋದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣದ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ಪಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದ್ ನನ್ಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sridevi. Yes, Gauri.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka.
Yes, Gauri, go ahead. We are able to listen to you.
I Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. My name is Gauri. I would like to share my experience about this session. It was really beautiful and it was very good for me. I can tell you that there was a thing when I felt very bad for myself, that I cannot do something for someone who was not like myself. So I was thinking about she is different for me and I am different for her. But first only, ma'am has cleared that when we meet a person, just consider them, her or him, as a person first, and then think about what it comes forward. It was really nice thing, ma'am. I really like that thought. And after that, it was a very means it was a life changing experience. Means being ourselves only, what we can make a difference. This session tells us that thing. And also, I love this session very much. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much to Vidya Poshak for making us to enjoy this session.
Thank you, Gauri.
Thank you.
Yes, Pradeep.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I have hats off to your job and your working, and really impressive from your work, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
And we have all learned from so many things from you, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Thank you. I'm happy you all did that. It is nice because you are
And
young generation. You'll be doing lots now.
you are inspiration to me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. We want your phone number, ma'am. Can you?
Yes, I can.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. And once again, thanks for ma'am spending your valuable time with me.
Thank you, Pradeep.
Thank you, Pradeep.
Yes, who's there online now? Yeah, go ahead. ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, right. So yes, I think we are running out of time.
Yes.
We should. Yes, thank you, Pratana, once again for the wonderful session. And most importantly, I would say, like, yeah, it's a good forum to say thank for another initiative you have done, right? For the mentoring, mentor and mentee connect, right? So we were actually wondering for a long time how to do, what to do, and then you had connected us, and in fact, like, you have connected us, not we were not searched and came to you. So you connected us and initiated the program. We have already connected 56 students with their mentors. So another 100 more on the line. So thank you for that, for the great initiative. Thank you, and bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Do well.
Switch up.
Yes, bye.